Hi, and welcome to Cooking with the Babbles. We are making a flour cake today, and we're going to show you how we do it. First, we mixed white icing with blue coloring.
No, Bernie, we didn't use blue. It was blue
coffee coloring.
Show the flour thing we're making.
Pink! You stir, you whip it. Whip it. Nice and good. Tell them what's in it.
Purple!
Cake batter, you know, it's like regular cake batter. It has eggs and cake mix.
What you do is you add this to the icing and then you stir.
Stir.
Could you add more to the batter?
Yeah. Look how pretty that is.
That's enough. And then you stir. Until you get a nice color. And you just keep stirring. You see? Until it's creamy and frothy. Oh.
Ew, that's kind of dirty.
And then you get a nice color and bon appetit. So we have green.
How are we doing that?
We've got pink.
What color is this?
We got blue. That's not enough blue.
Hey, you just throw it over there.
That's not enough blue.
You're not supposed to eat right.
And we have purple.
Hey, we got 6 petals. You need 2 more colors.
4 minus 6 is 2.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
Pretty.
Put them there.
No. Ew.
Ew.
What color is that? I don't know.
Brown.
I made brown, you guys. Hey! Good job, Brittany. Guys, long British. Cake batter. Get that big giant fork out of there. Yeah. Oh, giant fork. Oh, I'm gonna look that so bad. I can't see what I'm doing, so tell me to stop. What? Okay, come on.
Hey,
You guys, I made peanut butter. Get that fork. Yeah. Yep, that's not good.
What fork? This one?
I made peanut butter. Guys, this is gonna be like completely over the top. Wow, it's gonna rise. Should we just not scrape it in there very well? Yeah, scrape it in there. We're gonna rise. We can have a thick cake.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
But it has to be flat, Bridget.
That's fine.
It's okay. Where's it going? Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
I don't know.
Where'd that fork go?
Make me sway like the ocean rises a shoe. Hold me close to your heart.
Not me! How much time was left when you were up there?
Like a flower bending in the breeze. Sway with me, sway with me. Oh, yes, you have a way with me. Sway with me, sway with me. Well, it's not too bad. Make me sweat.
Ow!
Like the ocean to shore.
Pretty. I know! Britt. I'm trying to stop my leg. I'll catch you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, but can you guys talk? No, you guys, this has to be the outlining of the flower. So we need one more color.
Pretty, the flower didn't get outlined.
Yeah, oh, the pink was. But you're not gonna be able to outline the freaking flower.
Blake, there's a guy back here.
I'll nail you in the face.